Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Hassan. My matric card number is 68661. So today we are going to present about our final report of community website project. So the title of the community web project is Community of Kampung Tanjung Kapur. For your information, Kampung Tanjung Kapur is located in Kudat, Sabah. The community is one of the Bajau community in Sabah. The majority of the community speak their native language called Bajau Ubian. As the location is surrounded by the sea, the main economic activity of the community of Kampung Tanjung Kapur are based on fishing. In this village, Islam is the main religion and others are a minority. Therefore, this project intends to explore the Bajau race of the Kampung Tanjung Kapur community in Sabah. So, our group members consist of 5 people, which is Siti Hajar, Fatih Nur Ain, Nur Ashikin, Hazikah Lau, Nur Putri Najihah, Nik Siti Rozaida, dan Nur Fatihah. Thank you.
Next is stakeholder involved. We have three parts. Which one? The first one is the primary stakeholder. We have three parts. The first part is Siti Hajar, which is the project leader, and the second one is Fatin, project manager, and the third one is we have Ashikin, Hazika, and Putri, and Nick, and last one is Fatihah, is the team member. And next is the secondary stakeholder is steering commitment. We have 3 person. Number 1 is Mr. Kamal, which is client, and number 2 is village of Kampung Tanjung Kapur, which is local community, and the third one is public user, special interested group, and for the last one is key stakeholder is Prof. Dr. Shahrin Ahmad Zaid Idris is the role is consultant. Next is the acknowledgement. We have very happy pleasure of the completion of this assignment. First and foremost, we like to thank to Allah for giving the strength, especially during this challenging situation while completing this project. Second, our group has received help from many people who deserve our generous gratitude behind this project making. And firstly, our latest appreciate to our lecturer is Prof. Dr. Shahrin Ahmad Zaid Zaidus, and the last one is appreciate to the community Kampung Tanjung Kapur who cooperate through the study, and the last one is thanks to the who involved through the making this project. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Hajar binti Azuman. My matrix number is 67737. Let's continue to the objectives of our community project and definition of terms. There are 6 objectives of our community website project. First, to study the Tanjung Kapur community. Second, to study the culture of Tanjung Kapur community. Third, to discover exciting things to do in Tanjung Kapur. Fourth, to discover interesting places in Tanjung Kapur. Fifth, to introduce and promote the information to the world about the community of Tanjung Kapur. And the last one is to appreciate the uniqueness and the diversity in Tanjung Kapur. Let's continue to the definition of terms. A community is a group of people who live in the same area and have an understanding of a goal and always keep in touch with each other. Village is a settlement located in a rural area whose area is smaller than the city.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Nur Ain binti Azmi. My metric number 68520. I will present about 7.0 limited contents in our website. Okay. In contents, we provide 6 elements. The first one is homepage, history, place, food, activity, and also festival. And all of the element relate in our title about Kampung Tanjung Kapur in Kudat, Sabah. And despite I will present about 8.0 limitation of the web project, current the situation right now and during movement control order MCO, uh, we in our group have like information about media material and about local community. And when we want to do interview online session, not all people will participate in our group, and this is because of few factors like they busy and need to do have a job and so on. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Usability satisfaction using SUS System Usability Scale. So the overall result of the study was based on the severity assessment given by the 5 evaluators for this prototype. Most of the interfaces had no usability problems, and overall average SUS score got a scale of 10 of 74%. The scale shows the level of satisfaction of the evaluator for the prototype is in a good condition. Next is budget required. The budget required for this project is RM450. There are 4 particular items that was considered in this project, which are self-capital, internet data plan, foods and drinks, and car oil. For self-capital, each member of the group require RM 10 ringgit unit price, which totals for RM 70 with 7 members in a group. Next, internet data plan that require RM 30 for a month for each member in the group, with total RM 210 ringgit. Besides that, there are also particular items for foods and drinks, which require RM 70 with 7 foods and 7 drinks for each member. For this particular item, RM 70 is enough for a car oil because the place is not that far from each research area. As a conclusion, the budget required for this project is RM 450 ringgit, with balance RM 50 from November 2020 until.
Hi, my name is Noputri Najah binti Raisham, and today I would like to talk about sustainability aspect in the website. Extensibility is the feature of this design. It is able to extend the project by adding new function or changing existing function to allow improvement, and at the same time minimizing existing project function. If problem can be fixed and current specification can be complete, feature serving is terminated and the changing work can be managed. Next, possible contribute of the project community. Social media involves several important elements consisting of a collection of website, service, and activity that carry out several processes involved, including the process of collaboration, sharing, and democratization of internet user. Social media such as blog, Twitter, Facebook, and so on have become a crazy of all age, especially the young generation. Social media is a social interaction platform that involves a new branch of communication that result from a normal communication environment. Today, a person's life is not perfect if one does not have a laptop, mobile phone to surf the internet. Browsing social media such as blog and so on have become a certain for the community today. That's all. Thank you.
Next, I will continue to the list of tasks. We have 7 group members. First, Siti Hajar binti Azuman. Her tasks are content of the website, task list, email letter of permission from faculty to Cik Siti Nur Hajar, and usability report of the website. Next is Fateh Nur Ain binti Azmi. Her tasks are definition of terms, scope of the web project, letter of permission, possible contribution and for the project community. Third is Noor Ashikin tentatively. Her tasks are budget required, timelines, meet and do permission to main stakeholder, actual budget and expenditure. Next is Hazika Law Binti Zafrillah. Her tasks are acknowledge sustainability aspect and develop the website. Next is Noor Putri Najihah binti Rahisam. Her tasks are stakeholders involved, reference list of tasks involved in developing the website, and indicate who is responsible. Next is Mid-City Rosaida binti Rusli. Her tasks are contribution of the web project, limitation of the web project and the timelines. And the last but not least, Nur Fatiha binti Hassan for doing introduction, background of the website, justification for developing the website, and objective. Next is for the timelines. For this project, we start from 23 November 2020 until 25th January 2021. For 23 November, we start brainstorming for the proposal. For 2 December, we creating proposal according to the task given by each team members. Next, we discuss about community project with our coordinator on 7 December 2020. After that, we submit project proposal to our coordinator on 10 December 2020. On 20 December 21, we write a permission letter to the community head at Kudat. Next, we collecting data for activity in community, special delicacies, festivals, places or things of interest in the community on 4 January 2021. On 18 January 2021, we start doing our report, and on 25th January 2021, we submit final report to our coordinator. That's all. Thank you.